Hi girls, this is Sophie from My Birthday. Today I would like to share my new release digital kit, which I really love of the rustic feel. And I went to my mom's house and her garden is beautiful with a lot of vintage and rustic. That's why it inspired me to create this theme. I love it so much, and also I received some comments that you would like me to design something that without include any people image on it. So this is the one that I didn't include any people image at all, and I really love it so much. Also, I have like an idea of what to create with this kit, so hopefully I will have time to create this something like some journal with this kit, and we'll finish in a month time. So by the way, without further ado, so let me go through with all the kits. This kit is come with 10 pages and also with 2 add-ons, and it's a high resolution as normal. As you know, I love it because you can resign anything and the image is all look good. And this one is like green color with the brown and like the rustic color and the flower and also the birch. It's, I think you can't say no with it. And especially this one because I saw this one like something for a plant. She bought this one, and also that inspired me to copy something in like in the her real garden. And it's, this one is like a look like a rustic, so you can add some picture on here and here or some code. Okay, and this one as a normal, I print this in the laser printer because I like the quality of the image. It's like very vibrant. You don't have to do anything with it. So yeah, also I put a lot of, not a lot, but let's say some of the flower like rose and also some vintage rose and also butterfly and birds on it. And this is like the ledger page. I love this kind of page so much. It's look like very grungy, and all of this one is like an old ephemera that I got from my local antique store. So I just scan it and I just playing around like the collage of this one. Also it's look very neat. I love it so much. And this page is like an emboss, but it's not. So I'm trying to make an effect of the image to look like something is pop out. Okay. Oh, this one is upside down. This one is like you can fold and half for all of them, or you can resize this one to have like a small page, and all the images look great. This also, I love this. And I put some bird cage on here and also some vintage rose add on here and underneath here. And this is, I put like some house to make it like a warmy feel in this kit. And you got if you, I will put the link to my Etsy shop below. You will receive 2 add-on, and this is the one piece of my add-on. This one just cut along and then you form a pocket. This one is like a seed pocket. So I have 3 page that you can put it, tuck it in here. So these are the one, and this the little bird and the black one, and also sunflower with little 2 circle of rose, which you can, I mean, make it like for some decoration or tuck spot. And this one, another one is from like a 5 folder like this, and you can put like a journal, not a journal, but I mean the name of here. Maybe if you want to glow like some rose, and you can put some note in here and put in a journal. Just an idea. Okay, and also this one is also put 2 button. When you close it, tuck this one right here and another one right here, and then pull the string. I hope you will have an idea of it. Also, if you have any recommendation of what you would like to see in my next kit, just feel free to comment the link on my comments, the link below. So I will try to see if I can have an idea of, or also some image that I can create some kit for you guys. So let's say I'm like a designer and then you are my customer, so all you need is just put the link below, so I will create it for you. And I hope you like it, and give me some comments, and also subscribe if you don't subscribe me yet. Okay, have a good one. Bye guys.